This video chart presentation at Epsilon Energy. Epsilon trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker EPS. It's on all penny stocks, a technical stock to watch for Wednesday. This is a look at a 3-month chart. This stock's been in a fantastic uptrend for about 9 or 10 months now, pushing through at the end of last week to make new highs. Had a slight up day on Tuesday. This chart's still holding a real nice support level since it recently pushed through the resistance. And I just want to talk about what I'd be looking for in the future from a technical perspective with this chart. See the MACD, nice solid uptrend it's been in. Since a pretty healthy retracement from up around 420 all the way down to around 360 in February. Now back in bull mode and making new higher highs. Slow still, going right along with it. Nice uptrend leading into it and holding high levels up around 90, showing that momentum is being sustained in this play. Similar with the money flow, right there when it broke through 50, showing people are paying higher prices for the stock. Continue to hold the upper half of that indicator, and you can see the appreciation in the share price that's come along when the money flows held that position. That's why we look at these things a lot of times in different videos, and we might talk about it right in through here, where we're seeing it looks like a trend reversal's happening. Stock price comes down, sits on a support level. We alert our members to keep an eye on it from a technical perspective, because that breakthrough 50 is what we're looking for. Same way with the slow still. Uptrending, showing some momentum is starting to build, even though the price per share is coming down. Breaks through the upper half of the indicator, showing that bullish momentum is intact, and the share price goes. So that's why when we look at a lot of bottom plays or retreating stocks, we're looking for those positive divergences where the indicator is trending up, even though the price per share is trending down, because it's hinting that a stronger move may be coming. And the RSI goes along the same lines. Uptrend, holding the upper half of the indicator, showing that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. Now from a candle perspective, you can see that area right there around 420 that was serving as a definite area of resistance, and that's the point it punched through, and now it's sitting on it and holding it as support. And that's an area I want to stay intact. I want to see the strong momentum and trend continue, and for this stock to immediately try and push upward. Now if it pulls back, that's really not that big of a deal. It does pick up some more support in through that area around $4. If that happens and then it rotates, stock is still making higher lows and continuing on an upward path. But with the break of resistance, I'm looking immediately for the upward pressure to continue. There's not much I can say about resistance. That's about it. There's nothing else in the way. Even scaling back and looking at a longer chart, the stock is pushing on all-time highs. I did take a look. I think you have to go back about 2 years to even see it at this level again. So there's just not much resistance there. And I'll be looking forward to trying to take that level out and punch through to some new all-time highs after a slight pause that's been going on for the last few days. It trades on relatively low volume. See only 169,000 shares traded on Tuesday. I'll be looking for a day more along these lines, where I see a volume spike, getting more up in that area of 500,000 shares or so to solidify the idea of this upward trend continuing. Those are the things that I'd be looking for in the EPS chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.